Addressable fire alarm panel is a cutting-edge technology that significantly enhances the fire safety measures in a building. These panels allow firefighters to monitor and manage the fire alarm system with ease, ensuring that the premises remain secure and protected from potential catastrophic fires. Equipped with advanced sensors and features, addressable fire alarm panels provide real-time alerts and efficient response times, preventing fires from escalating and minimizing damage to both human lives and property. With a wide range of applications, these panels are suitable for both residential and commercial spaces. An essential aspect of addressable fire alarm panels is their ability to connect to multiple fire detection devices, such as smoke detectors, heat detectors, and carbon monoxide detectors. This connectivity allows the panels to work in synergy, effectively amplifying the overall fire safety measures in the building. Additionally, these panels offer adjustable settings, allowing users to tailor the system according to their specific needs and requirements. By integrating multiple fire detection devices, addressable fire alarm panels significantly increase the reliability and efficiency of the fire safety measures. Another significant advantage of addressable fire alarm panels is their ease of integration with various smart home systems. This integration not only streamlines the management of the fire alarm system but also enhances overall home security. Addressable fire alarm panels can be equipped with features such as remote detection, remote control, and data recording, which allow users to monitor and manage the system from anywhere. In conclusion, addressable fire alarm panels are the future of fire safety measures in buildings. These advanced panels provide a dependable, efficient, and cost-effective solution for protecting human lives and property from potential fires. By embracing these panels, property owners can significantly enhance the overall fire safety measures in their buildings and provide peace of mind for their residents.